copy and paste and make $50 per hour. This is a real example that I am making money. I am refreshing this page. Okay, you are watching that this is $2, 10 cents, 14 cents, $2, most dollar coming from United States. So I will show you that how you can make these types of money. Even you can make much more money, like more than $50 per hour. I will show you step by step. So hey, this is Learn Today, and I will show you that how you can make much more money from this video. You need to watch this video full and you can't skip anywhere. So if you are new in this video, please subscribe, and if you watching this video from Facebook, please follow my Facebook page, and of course you need to share this video because your friend need money too. Before jump to our work, we need a good plan. So I separate some subject from this make money online video. So this is 100% free. You don't need any money, any types of investment for this work, and it will work mobile, and you can use laptop or PC too. So number one, you need mobile, laptop or PC. So you can make these three types of device, or you can use tab or anything. Just you need a device. I am using mobile right now because most people are using mobile phones, so I'm using mobile right now, and after I can show you in different device. Okay, number two, you need internet connection, Wi-Fi or anything, even use mobile data. Main thing is this, you need a internet connection. Okay, number three, a network. You need a network to get dollar. Okay, you need a network that this network will pay you for any action. Okay, I will explain step by step, so you need to watch just. Okay, number four, you need a landing page. Without landing page, you can't get anything. It's super simple. I will show you step by step. Okay, you not get any. Okay, and number five, targeted traffic. So if you have targeted traffic, you can make much more money. You can't know that how much you can get. Okay, and number six is wait for money. Money will come and you will get in your bank, in your phone. It's just simple. So I will show you step by step. You just follow my video and you need to work after watch this video. Okay, we have a mobile or laptop, we have a device to work, so we have internet connection too, so we need a network. So how you can get a network? Simply you need to go any browser and go to Google and type like cpagrip.com. okay, and just go to cpagrip and create a new account. Okay, and also you can go to CPA lead, is a good network too. So go to CPA lead and create a account. Also you can go to like CPA, okay, not CPA, you can go to fmind. So it's a great network too. I'm using fmind and I will paste this link in description, so you can go and just create an account. Just you need to put a Gmail or your information. It's very simple work. So go and create a network. So number two is landing page. I will show you right now that how you can put a offer and you just create a nice landing page. So I'm going to Google and you need to go a Google site. So search any browser to google site.com, site.google.com, and see that here is many landing page I was created for my work. So you need to create landing page like this. So how you can do, you need just click in blank. Okay, you need put a title. So for this work we need to go our network and click offer section and click on browse. Okay, we need a offer for this work, like show filter. I will select United States country and device will all category will email and zip submit, like this email submit. Okay, you need to just email submit, and here will SOY offer, it will convert very well. So let's click on filter. It will show you some great offer. Okay, here is some great offer. Some offer you need to apply and they will approve you and you can use this offer. Okay, I will get some offer. Okay, here is the offer. Start career today, work from home, Netflix. So if you complete this offer, it is somebody will sign up or just paste their email in this website and you will get $2.10. Okay, it's a damn easy work, and this man will be from United States, so you need to target United States countries people. So how you can get this link? You just tap on view, and here is all details about this one. So how you can create landing page through this link? You just copy this title, start career today. I just copy and going to my Google site docs. Okay, I'm deleting this, also deleting this. Okay, here is I'm writing this like get a job. Okay, get a job today, and I will write in body. Okay, I'll text box, I will write a title that's I copy some time ago. Okay, I just copy this. Okay, start career today. Start career today, and I will. Okay, I simply can use this image, download image, and this is my affiliate link. Anybody who will click through this link and they will submit their email in this website, I generate money from this. Okay, you need to just go again, and what you need to do, okay, you need to tap on image, tap on image, upload, and click this. Okay, this is great, and just click on link button and paste your affiliate link. So we need a button too for, okay, we need to this button name sign up. Okay, link insert. Okay, here is our sign up. Okay, here is our sign up button. So you need to work very smoothly or very nicely if you need more sign up. So we need to do, so we need to see that how this look like. So if you tap on here, you can see here is a PC device, you can see here, and if you tap here, this is a tab view. Okay, and this is mobile view, so it's not very bad. Okay, it's simple. If you work every day, you can improve yourself. So the next step, we need to publish. Okay, and type like get a job now. Okay, it's available, and publish, and create on link icon, and this is your landing page. It's very simple and very easy. So done. You don't need any work in landing page and network. Okay, and here is number 4 complete, and number 5 is traffic. So we need targeted traffic to get much more money. Okay friend, recently we complete number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4, and number 5 is traffic. So we need traffic, not all traffic, we need targeted traffic. So for traffic we are using Twitter. So Twitter is most popular social media. We need to use Twitter because Twitter will help our to get targeted traffic. So I will share some secret for get targeted traffic or get some very good signups. So you need to just follow, and you need some Twitter account. How you will create this? Just go to the thumbnail, just type TMP thumbnail. Okay, you don't need to sign up here, just copy a mail here and create a Twitter account. Every time you just change mail and you can get new mail every time. So just go and create a Twitter account. It's very easy work, so I'm not showing it. So after, you need to paste a profile logo and a banner logo. So after, you need to go search button and look corner in your right side, there is a setting button. So tap on here and select a location. Okay, I select United States, so you need to select United States because our offer is United States countries people. So search United. Okay, here is United States. Just tap on this and back. So we selected United States country and just search need money and tap on search. Okay, you see that here is people are tweeting that they need money. So you need to help these people, and you need to just comment their comment box. Like I'm commenting here, tap on comment box and you need to tweet their comment. So you need to reply their comment. You need to write, hey, you need to write a good title. I have a good home job. You can get good money. Money from it. So go and sign up for job apply. So you need to write a catchy title that they will go and sign up through your affiliate link and you can get a big commission. So after, you just put a affiliate link that you created some time ago. So just copy all the text and reply this comment. Okay, so you need just replay these types of Twitter. So one more secret is, okay, simply need money. Okay, here is more one secret that you need to do. Simple go on search and tap on need money, and you need to go on latest section. That's somebody are tweeting in Twitter account that they need money. So you can get that 12 seconds ago, 52 seconds ago, you are getting some latest money that's they need money. So you need to just go on comment section, left side there is a comment section, and just put your coffee title. So just put it and you need to comment 100 or 200 people every day. You need to create 10 or 20 Twitter account and work. Just I showing you, and yes, you can get much more money. So we just complete our all types of work. Okay, we complete all types of work, and number 6 is wait for money. So if you work like my video, you can get much more money. Trust me, you can get much more money. So after this work, you need to wait for somebody will click your link and they will sign up through your affiliate link, and you will get some commission from this. Okay, it will be $2.10. Even some people sign up from others country, you can get also commission through this way. So I will show you in the next video that's how will you can do this work automatically. So you need to watch my this video, and just you need to subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page and press the bell notification for get a new update when I will upload my video. You will get a notification. So thank you, and wait for my new video.